Twipra Hani Thung Hani bumungno kusuk khlaina bagwi 6 National MMA Indian Championship thangna bagwi khoroksuku Uttar Pradesh thangna bagwi Lamrwlai tongo. Official khoroksa tai khoroksa kus bebagi borok thanglaika khoroksuni rok.
Jotono sarikaham tini media rokno hambairigo tini chang sarigo tini train Guwahati jora thanai te Guwahati theke Lucknow thanai ke chang tini Twipra MMA team chang thanglai tongo Lucknow national 6 national championship participate haina bagai ang tongo Twipra ni in charge te tini Chandrakant tongo tini assistant pro ke tini president MMA Twipra no hambairu te tini general secretary pro ni support ni bagai te joto chano support rinai rok ni bagai tini guardian rok no hambaya pro te norok joto no angkoyo chano chubana bagai norok ni chubai chang tebo kutuk saka kamana jai norok ni chuba chang nanglo. Good evening. Today we are MMA Twipra team assembled here in the Badarghat railway station. Right now we are going to leave from the Badarghat station towards Lucknow. We will be boarding with our 9 players from MMA Twipra. We have our crew Chandrakanta Debarma and myself, the state in charge, which we will be leaving and will be reaching on 18th, and on 25th we will reach back Agartala. I expect everyone to support you or to support us, and we need your blessings so that in future we will able to improve more and we will able to excel more in our activities. And I hope with your blessings our fighters will able to achieve some medals, and this is what we hope for this at this moment. Thank you.